Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to Drawing Online. As we all know that fruits are very healthy. We have to eat fruits every day. Fruits gives us lots of energy to read, write and play. Fruits makes you. So students, today we are going to draw an apple. It is of red color and the skin of apple is very thin. So now let's get start. So students, now if you take out your drawing copies and open it, open a new page in your drawing copies, and first of all you have to write date. What is the date today? Today is 25th June. So write down 25th June 2021 and mention class work also. Okay, so students, as we all know, today we are going to draw an apple. So let's get started. Sharpen your pencils, and students, try not to erase again and again. Try to draw at once. Okay, so first of all we have to make one curve. Okay, first of all we have to make one curve. So keep your pencils here and make one curve like this, like this. Now keep your pencil here and we will make C. We will make C. जैसे C draw करते हैं बिल्कुल उसी तरह. Keep your pencils here and draw C. Like this. Draw C like this. Now from here we will give a little curve to our C like this, and now we will make opposite C. First we have to make one curve, then we will make C, then give a little curve to your C, and then we will make again opposite C. Join all the ends like this. First we have to make one curve. Okay, then we have to make C, then give a little curve to your C, then we will make opposite C from here. Like this. Now what we have to do is we will make two standing lines. Keep your pencil here and we will make two standing lines like this, 1 and 2. Like this we have to make two standing lines. Now from here keep your pencil here a little bit up from these two lines and make one sleeping line like this. Okay, now make two small standing lines like this, and do one thing, students. First make two standing lines like this. Now we will make a little slanting line here like this, a little sleeping line like this, then join the ends of these lines like this. Okay, now what you all have to do is from here make one a little slanting line like this. Okay, and then two curves, one curve, and keep your pencil here, another curve like this. Now keep your pencil here, make two curves more one curve and another curve. Okay, these are the two leaves of an apple. Now what you all have to do is, we all have to do coloring in it, and for that we need three colors. How many colors? Three colors. Red color, we need red color, and we need brown color, and the third color is, we need which color for leaves? We need green color for leaves. Now let's start do coloring. So students, first we will do red color in our apple. Means in this portion, in this part, we will do which color? Red color, and in these lines we will do brown color, and in leaves we will do green color. So let's get started. So we will start from here. And one more thing student, that you all have to do pencil colors in apple. No need to do crayons color. And make sure that your color will not come out of the apple. Apple के बाहर color किसी को नहीं करना है. Okay, and you have to do very neat and clean. You have to do coloring in. You have to do red color like this. One more time I am telling you that you all have to use which colors? Pencil colors only. No need to do crayons color. Fill all the corners. Fill all the corners like this. A little bit dark from inside like this. Why we are doing red color students? Because mostly apple is of red color. That's why. Okay. Now red color is done. Now we will do which color? Now we will do brown color. A little bit dark from here, from here, from here. Okay, done. Now we need brown color. Okay, now we need which color? We need green color for leaves. Now let's do green color in leaves. it's done. Like this we have to draw an apple, and then like this we have to do coloring. Now what you all have to do is, with the help of your pencil, you all have to write here an apple in cursive writing. Okay, in cursive writing you all have to write here what? An apple. So write down an apple. A double P L E, an apple. Okay students, so today we have learned how to draw an apple. That's all for today.